There was an interesting paper from Apple about what Apple believes the AI reasoning agents are doing is emulating reasoning, right? They're not actually reasoning, they're just finding examples of reasoning in the training data and trying to use that as a pattern that it re implements. The analogy that I use there is imagine you have an AI powered robot that's walking around a factory and making sure everything's going fine, right? It's a quality assurance robot, a safety robot, whatever its job is. And it notices that somebody slips and falls on the floor. And so it looks at its training data and discovers that, oh, like 99% of the time when people slip on the floor, it's because the floor was wet. And so your AI powered robot's going to grab a mop and it's going to mop the floor up, whether the floor was wet or not. The wet floor is such a likely solution to the slipping problem. Assume that's the answer. But that's not actually problem solving. That's just like emulating a commodity solution that it's seen millions of times in the past. And that's how a lot of reasoning kinds of things, I think, are going to exist in the training data. It's going to emulate intelligence. Even if it's emulating intelligence very well, there's still a lot of context in your head that's not in the algorithms, that's not posted on blog pages and web pages. And none of that is how you make decisions. That's how you reason. Until we have a way of capturing all of that other context and adding that to the training data too, then I think AI has a fundamental training data limitation.